is a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is such a cool, gnarly way of using paradiddle hands in your grooves and having some really cool open hi-hats in it. First of all, paradiddle groove hands. So just paradiddles, right, left, right, left, left. Accent on 2, most importantly. But in this case, I also like to accent the and the E that happens in the right hand. This sounds really good when we add in the 8th note stepped hi-hat. That's what allows those open hi-hats to come in at those certain points. And that is the basis of most of this groove. The fun part then happens when we add in the bass drums. First one on 1, then the and of 3, and that's it. One final little extra thing you can add is a little buzz on the of 4 if you want to. It just adds a little something, something. 3, 4. Funky.